Now let's talk about customer service. This is one of the things that if you really want to stay here for the long term and you want to do this for a few years looking forward and even more, you have to take care of your buyers. The people who are buying from your eBay store is eBay's product. eBay wants to take care of their product and it's your responsibility to do so. So make sure that you're always answering all of your buyers' messages, that you're responding to all of their cases. If they open an item not received case, show a tracking number that shows that it did arrive to them. If they're saying that the product is damaged or doesn't work or defective, give them a return label. Using AutoDS is fulfilled by AutoDS service. You can get a return label really quickly, or simply reach out to your supplier if you took out the order manually and let them know that you need a return label. In any case, you have to answer all of your buyers' messages and never leave any case unattended. Make sure that you're replying quickly to everything. One way to do that easily, especially when you're running multiple eBay stores, is using AutoDS's customer service feature. So as you can see here, I'm back in the system. I'm going to click here on customer support, and here you can see all of the messages that you're getting from eBay's buyers, and so forth. So here you have the message, and I can click on any message, and there I can continue replying. This is a message to eBay, so you cannot reply to eBay. But if I click on a message that I got from a buyer, like this one, so the buyer replied something to me, and I can continue replying from inside this field right here. Then you're replying from what looks like a chat field, a chat window between you and the buyer. And of course, this will send him the message on eBay, and it'll simply make everything much easier. Especially when you're running multiple stores and you're getting multiple messages to those multiple stores, you'll see them all under one screen. You can even save snippets, and this is especially good if you're used to pasting template messages, so messages that are repetitive. You can simply save the snippet and use that over and over. And all of this simply makes your customer service much easier to handle when dropshipping on eBay. So now that we're nearing the end of the video, let's go over the things that we talked about, and then I'll add a small little bonus lesson of how to get more sales. So we talked about product research, how to find the best products to sell on your eBay store. And remember guys, it's all about testing. If you're in the beginning of your journey, you have a lot of hours to put down on product research, but the more you work on it, the more you test it, the faster you'll see the results, and the faster you'll be able to scale from there and start making more profits. We also talked about customer satisfaction. Process your orders as soon as they come in without any delay. Take care of your buyers' messages, take care of your open cases. Don't let eBay intervene with the problems between you and the buyer. Show them that you have the responsibility and that you know how to take care of their buyers. Then we talked about using multiple suppliers. So all of the suppliers that we have, you guys having access to over 25 suppliers, tens and millions of products. You'll never run out of anything to sell. The only thing you will run out of is time. And that is why we have business automation, so that you can scale and really profit in big numbers.